Let me get down, let me get down. I've been up here for way too long. So let me get down, let me get down. I've been up here for way too long. 3, 2, 1. Ornamental, you're on the wrong team. Not unique with everything that beams. Light's just one object. Bitch, you don't even know what that means. I speak in tongues. I screech when the weasel don't preach, but you look like the demon in me. So don't pretend we're on the same team. I'm bringing you down. Don't pretend you know what I mean. You're not that smart. Don't walk around with that smirk on your face. You're a jerk and you'll die alone. You're a joke and God's something you'll never know. Buckle, buckle, ho, buckle high, yo. You just look like me, but I'd rather fucking grab you by the throat. I don't have to be anything that I'm not, but you'll never be what I am. You're a thought. Juggernaut in me, I don't care what you can see. I talk in threes, everything's specific. I could run around the garden now. I'm a garden gnome, naked with my little towel. You don't gotta know it, everybody already knows. You're a fucking demon. I'm sick of daydreaming. I'll get on a jet ski and wave goodbye. I'll get on a jet ski and wave goodbye. I'll be on that jet ski just saying bye, with a smile on my face, with a smile on my face, and a peanut in my mouth. I'll be crunching and munching, with a peanut in my mouth. I'll be crunching and munching on a jet ski, waving goodbye. On a jet ski, just waving goodbye. I'm so sick of your lies. Take off that fake disguise. You're a fucking little sideshow freak. I don't think you're that cool. I don't think you're unique. I could train you to be, but you're too diseased. I could train you to be, but you're too diseased.